Don't miss the boat. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, missing the boat. This phrase is used quite often in both formal and informal conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Missing the boat is an idiomatic expression in English. It means failing to take advantage of an opportunity because of being too slow to act or because of indecision. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from business to personal life. It originates from the literal scenario where someone literally misses a boat they were supposed to be on, thus missing out on what the journey had to offer. To better understand missing the boat, let's look at some examples. 1. Job opportunities. I didn't apply for the job in time and I really missed the boat on that great opportunity. 2. Investments. He missed the boat on investing in that startup. Now it's a multi-million-dollar company. 3. Personal relationships. I think I missed the boat when I didn't ask her out. Now she's in a relationship with someone else. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios, emphasizing the idea of a lost opportunity due to delay or hesitation. When using missing the boat, keep in mind that it's often used in a reflective or regretful context. It's a way to express that you realize an opportunity was missed. You can use it both in professional and personal settings, but it's generally more casual. It's perfect for conversations where you're discussing opportunities or decisions with friends, family, or colleagues. And that's a wrap on missing the boat. Remember, this phrase is all about lost opportunities due to not acting quickly enough. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and of course, try not to miss the boat in your own life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.